Hey everybody, it's me Namaisa and I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing this look for you all. This look was inspired by a face chart by Judas Tape on Instagram. Check out the page because I love it. I'm obsessed by the face charts. Very colorful, very dramatic. So check the page out. This is the first time I've ever filmed a tutorial, around midnight. Well, actually, it's 3:30 a.m. right now. To be really real, my anxiety kept me awake. My head was just full, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go sit in the makeup room and film something. So I'm actually kind of impressed and proud. So anyway, if you want to see how I did this look, then you know what you gotta do. Bye-bye! I started out by applying my Urban Decay Original Primer Potion, and I applied that all over my lid, in my crease, on my brow bone, and underneath my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Swear By It palette, and I'm taking that shade right there, and I'm blending that in my crease first, and then I'm also blending it up towards my brow bone. This is going to give me a clear canvas to work on. Now I'm taking Sugar Pill's Poison Plum eyeshadow and I'm applying that in my crease using windshield wiper motions to blend it out. And as you can see, I'm applying it in my crease, but I'm also blending it out above my crease. But I'm not going to apply it on my brow bone. Then I'm taking this matte black eyeshadow of the NYX Cosmetics Swear By palette and I'm taking a tiny blending brush and I'm applying that in my crease. But in my crease only, just to give it a little bit more depth. I'm also taking that same eyeshadow and I'm applying that right underneath my lower lash line and I'm connecting it with the top of the eyeshadow part. Then I'm taking that same purple eyeshadow, Poison Plum, and I'm applying that underneath and blending that together and again connecting it with the top of the eyeshadow part. To clean up the shape of the makeup look, I'm just taking a makeup wipe and I'm shaping the edge of the makeup. Now with a light concealer, this is actually the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC20, I'm going to carve out my crease. So I'm applying that a little bit above my crease so I can create the appearance of a bigger lid or bigger lid space. Now I'm taking the Colored Rain Vivid Pigments eyeshadow called Neo Blue and I'm applying that on the outer part of that cut crease. Next up I'm taking this one called Cute and I'm applying that next to Neo Blue and obviously I'm blending the edges together so I can get a nice gradient. Next up I'm taking Sauce and Party Drip and I'm applying that on the inner part of my lid, or should I say newly created lid. And of course I'm also blending that together with the previous eyeshadow called Cute. And then to darken the very outer part of the cut crease, I'm taking that matte black eyeshadow from the NYX Cosmetics Swear By It palette and I'm just applying that again on the outer part. And of course I'm blending that into Neo Blue eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a little bit of Sugar Pill's Butter Cupcake eyeshadow and with an angled eyeliner brush, I'm applying that on the inner part of my lower lash line. And for my lower waterline, I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Electric Blue Eye Pencil. And to give myself a thick winged eyeliner, I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner Pen, in black of course. And to finish up the look, I'm taking these Nina Maria Cosmetics Touch of Glam False Lashes. So I'm back. I've done my eyes and already did my base off of camera. If you're curious, I used my Makeup Studio No Transfer Liquid Foundation in the shade Olive Tan. Don't forget to use my code Namaisa10 if you want to try out some of the Makeup Studio goodies. For my concealers, I used the Tarte Shape Tape concealers. And I used the shades Medium and Deep. And of course I'm going to contour my face using my NYX Cosmetics 3 Steps to Sculpt Contouring Trio in Deep. Always contour and highlight suited to your face shape and to your liking. because chances are that if you are mimicking me, it may not work out for you. Or actually, it could work out for you if we have similar face shapes, but you know, I'm just saying. I'm going to skip blush because again, I'm on a no blush kick. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This happens to be the cherry version. And now I'm letting the powder and, you know, foundation and concealer melt together, sort of say. And for my highlight, I'm going to use this Melt Cosmetics Nova highlighter slash bronzer. And now for my lips, I'm going to use this Sugar Pill Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Anti-Socialite. And I'm going to line my lips with it and fill them in a little bit. Now I'm going to take Sugar Pill's Duchess liquid lipstick and I'm going to apply that on the center of my lips mostly. And that was it for the entire look. I hope you liked it. I'm actually really liking this. I like the hair, the clothes, the makeup. Yeah, I think it's a good look. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, go check out my social media pages. They are all Makeup by Namaisa on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. This dress is by ASOS, the plus size section, and I think I covered everything. Thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye!
And memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go.